Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts, because today, it's all about Apple. The mighty iPhone-wielding titan found itself in the spotlight once again, dropping some significant news that got both Wall Street and Silicon Valley buzzing like bees in a gadget-laden garden. First up, Apple shares experienced a bit of a slip and slide, dropping nearly 4% this morning. Despite the general uptrend in the market due to positive US-China trade negotiations, Apple had its own hurdles to jump, tariff troubles, to be precise. CEO Tim Cook dropped the bombshell that the company anticipates a $900 million hit due to ongoing tariffs. Cook elaborated that Apple's production strategy is undergoing a tectonic shift, think global manufacturing marathons, by moving a significant portion of iPhone production to India, leaving Chinese assembly lines with fewer iPhones to crank out. This move is seen as a shield against Trump's tariff policy, which zapped Chinese imports with a shock of up to 145%. As a result, Apple is diversifying it like a tech-savvy squirrel stashing gadgets in multiple foreign forests. Gazing deeper into the Cupertino crystal ball, Apple released its recent earnings report, showcasing impressive results that surpassed analyst expectations. The tech juggernaut pulled off a $95.36 billion feat in revenue this quarter, edging past economic wizard predictions of $94.53 billion. That's no pocket change, mind you. iPhone sales hit $46.84 billion, showing a neat boost from the same quarter last year. Their services business, from Apple's Pay, iCloud to Apple Music, generated a jaw-dropping $26.65 billion in revenue. But here's where the plot gets as thick as a digital book. Despite the stellar earnings report and an enviable array of financials, it's the big bad tariffs looming over that have kept investors on the edge. Although Apple has announced ambitious plans for investments stateside over the next several years, they're also wrestling with the impact of these trade hurdles, which could lead to escalating costs, potentially spiraling iPhones to a cool $3,500 if made in the US without technological aids. Apple didn't stop at just moving factories. Tim Cook expressed aspirations for advanced robotics to lend their cyber hands in US manufacturing. This pivot points to a future where advanced manufacturing techniques like precision robotics could sidestep labor costs and keep iPhones as affordable as digital dreams. In the ETFs world, Apple's performance made waves too. With major tech ETFs holding hefty Apple stakes, the news saw them balance Apple-heavy portfolios on trade worries tightropes, all without much wobble. As we stand, these developments spell a tale of prominent revenue highs, foiled by tariff troubles, strategic production shifts, and increasingly pricey supply constraints. Truly, an Apple a day keeps the financial press in constant play. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.